Ken with Face Great Fitness. Today we're going to be breaking down the assisted pistol squat. Alright guys, so key points of performance. We're getting into another variation of our pistol squat series. So pistol squat is whenever we're doing a single leg, taking it all the way to the deck, popping back up. If that is an issue for you, you say, hey, my pistol squat, if I try that, I get down and I start to fall back. It's most likely due because you have restricted ankle mobility, and today's exercise is actually going to help you with that. It's going to counterbalance by holding the weight out front. But before we get into that, I want to break down what your knee tracking should look like. I talk about this all the time whenever we're squatting. Anytime your feet are planted, whether you're deadlifting, squatting, doing wall balls, whatever, feet are intentionally screwing your knees out so that it puts your hamstrings and your hips in the safest position. And whenever I do a pistol squat, I'm trying to keep that pressing out the whole time, never allowing this to come in. So when you're going down, be sure you're controlling, taking it out as you go all the way down. So to help you get down, because you're gonna have a longer lever out front, the weight is helping you counterbalance. You'll be surprised that with this, compared to what I just did, is actually easier because it takes the mobility piece out of it and I'm able to work on strength. Lock in my leg, grab your weight, I'm going to be reaching out in front, taking it slow. I'm able to sit in a much deeper position here, and then having the strength to come up is a totally different part of the exercise, I get that. But if it's a mobility thing, use the plate. That's how to do the assisted pistol squat. Get after it.